In a world where churches and organizations rise and many fall, one truth stands above them all. Many organizations fail because they do not have executives, and worse, the executives are not functional. But what if there was a way to recruit the right people to get them to do what you want them to do without being manipulative? From the stables of Yalley comes yet another thought-provoking masterpiece. This is not just another book. This is Strategic Church Growth. This book spells out how to sell your vision as a forerunner and build influence over the followers you attract. Connection is built through relationship, and you cannot be a leader of a crowd when you have not first worked effectively with a few. Inside these pages, you will discover what your greatest goal as a leader should be and how not to be an easy prey. Everything you need for ministry or organization is found in the people God gives you, and this book will teach you how to fish them out and capitalize on what God gives you. Here are the keys to mastering discipleship. Here is the revelation to identify thieves and safeguard your flock. This is Strategic Church Growth by Yalley, author of bestsellers such as Palace Protocol, Workshop to Showroom, Harvest is Ripe, Sleeping with an Enemy, Take Charge of Your Destiny, and over 16 life-changing books. If you are a pastor, a leader, a visionary, your next level starts here. Grab your copy now. Call 0244 697701 or 026 235 4383.